Neurologist and writer Oliver Sacks has died at 82. Sacks chronicled the human mind through the cases of his patients over the course of more than 40 years of writing. It was actually through writing, a column in the New York Times, that Sacks announced he had terminal cancer back in February. Sacks wrote, "I cannot pretend I am without fear, but my predominant feeling is one of gratitude." Sacks wrote 13 books, including Awakenings, which was adapted into an Academy Award-nominated film starring Robin Williams.
What I believe, what I know, is these people are alive inside.
How do you know that, Doctor?
I know it.
Sacks wrote his last column for The Times earlier this month. In the column announcing his cancer, Sacks wrote, "Above all, I have been a sentient being, a thinking animal on this beautiful planet, and that in itself has been an enormous privilege and adventure." He is survived by his partner Bill Hayes.